Morning at 9:40 a.m. approximately, there was an explosion in Zamra International Convention Center, Kalamassery. In that convention center, Jehovah Witness regional convention was happening. Preliminary investigation shows it is a IED device and we are examining it.
Was there any intelligence information regarding this earlier prior to this?
In which one person died and 36 persons are undergoing treatment as per our information. In that convention center, Jehovah Witness regional convention was happening and all our senior officers, including the Commissioner of Police and others, are at the spot. They are investigating the matter. Our additional DG Law and Order is already on the way. He will be reaching soon, and myself will be reaching the incident place shortly, and we are examining the all angles and we will find out who is behind this and we will take very stringent action. At the same time, I would request everyone to maintain peace, remain calm, and I also request that no provocative posts or hate posts should be posted on the social media. If anybody is doing such thing, we will take very stringent action against them also. Thank you. Preliminary investigation shows it is a IED device and we are examining it. We will be constituting a special team for this today itself. Today, after I reach the spot, we will constitute a special team.
Was there any intelligence information regarding this earlier prior to this?
No specific information.